Welcome back to Saunders Homestead for Saturday, June 18th. Here in northern Maine, it's a little bit chilly today. Here's the supervisor, Lucky. Today, the high is only going to be 58 degrees and the winds are 15 to 20 miles an hour. Brr. But you know what? Actually, it's a good thing because it's easier to work in the cooler weather. But today, right in front of us, you'll see on the ground, there's a 40-foot ridge beam with posts. Some of the posts are put in already with some angle braces. There's going to be 5 posts ultimately. He's working on post number 4 here, the second one in. And it's going together. The first post was a bare, the middle one, getting everything level and together in the right way. But once that's been pegged, the other posts have been coming along much easier for us. So here's post number 4. And you'll see he just completed this one on the end. And you'll see the come along is still on it. And that's to help push it into the hole. So the tenon got into the mortise here in the corner by that come along. You're going to hit the sledgehammer enough to try to get it in, but it's really that come along that's going to finish the job. And there's the angle brace. And you'll see the peg is in for the angle brace at the top and the bottom. And that's not going anywhere. And the corner. So he's probably going to remove this come along next once he gets this post number 4 in place. And I'll show you at the top. So he's laid it out. And this one has dados. See at the bottom. That's a cutout on 2 of the sides for where the flooring will come up and meet. So that when you can hide the end, you don't see the bottom edge. And he's laid out this post. And up here is, you see the tenon and the mortise, and then here's the angle brace. And you get that all kind of close together. And these are, even though they're offset tenons on the angle brace, you see that when you put them in, they're in the center of the beam on top. And so now that they're somewhat in place, this is when the coercing begins. And he's got it all leveled up here. Nice and level. And he's going to take down the come along and put it on this one, this post, and the work will begin.
Yeah, and then once I get all the posts in, I will put a spacer between each post at the exact dimensions that I want them to be. So then we'll put a cable come along around all of them and squeeze it. And that way when we go to fly it up with the crane, they'll all be on the exact locations where they need to be.
Excellent. Thank you. Lucky, do you have anything you want to say? You want to tell me anything?
Ready for my morning nap.
Want to say anything for Saunders Homestead? Well, anyways, this is our project for now, and then Wayne's got to work on finishing drilling up on top with his router, making the pathways for where the electrical is going to be run on that first floor. So we'll try to video some stuff a little bit later today once we've finished this ridge beam. So thanks for watching Saunders Homestead, and the crane comes Monday in 2 days with the 3 Amish. So we're excited that the prep work is almost done and the real building will begin. More to come. Thanks for watching Saunders Homestead, and if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do so if you like what you see, and we'll be back to tell you some more later. Bye.